Guys, Keith Rainville here, the lead guy. I'm going to show you now how to add a SPF record to GoDaddy, okay? So I got my domain here, krainville.com. I'm going to go down to manage DNS. It's a real simple, guys. I'm going to take the, going to go down here and I'm going to create a SPF record, and I'm going to do that right here. Click Add. I'm going to select text. I'm going to use the host is the @ symbol. The text value is going to be that IP, and I'm going to leave that the same, and I'm going to click Save. And there we go. We have created an SPF record in our domain. It was that easy, guys. So now you can send from software like MailRush and hit the inbox a ton of the time, guys. This is a great way to do this, and that's it. That's the end of the video, man. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel.